Good day guys, if you want to transfer money out of Cash App into your personal account or add funds directly to your wallet balance, linking your bank account is essential first step. So we need to open up Cash App and find your financial account settings. So just launch the Cash App on your phone and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. After that, scroll down the account menu and in here just choose linked banks. And then you just tap on link a bank to initiate the connection process. If you already have a debit card attached, you will see an option to add a direct bank account right below it. And next, let's complete the secure authentication using Plaid or manual account entry. So just read the privacy notice and tap continue to open the Plaid secure portal. Search for your bank, such as Barclays, HSBC, or any other, and select it from the list. Then you can just log in with using your bank account credentials, select the checking or savings account you want to link, and then hit authorize. Right, and also if you don't have your bank listed on Plaid, tap manual setup to enter your routing number and account number directly. So that's it guys, enjoy as always, and don't forget to subscribe.